Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque D200 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Santorini black. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where you'll find the pixel LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading on the sides, you're going to see further black features, all a courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits with utmost pride on a set of 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. To the rear of the vehicle, you will notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening your powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, which is perfect for a week's worth of luggage or even a canine companion. Rear passengers are certainly going to enjoy their ebony and cloud interior. And glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way driver memory heated electric front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a closer look now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel and advancing over to your 11.4-inch Privy Pro touchscreen before we finalise our journey by looking up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which engrosses this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, which we have here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.